from Makma.
Yay! Is that all pretend food?
Yeah, my trick.
Oh, that's to go with your new cookware set
Yeah, you
from
can
Miss
cook it
Christie.
in your pots and pans.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The cup.
And
Pink cup.
the pink cup?
Yeah.
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 You can serve all your food.
Oh wow.
Oh boy, look at all that food.
My cat.
Just pretend, yeah?
Pretend.
Yeah.
Not
You don't really eat it.
Oh,
Yeah.
ice
Ice
cream.
cream.
Oh,
Oh, and hamburger helper. Your favorite.
Look, puppy.
Yay!
It's cool. It's cool.
Yeah. Got all kinds of food here. Watermelon and bananas. Oh boy.
Wow.
Oh. Oh, okay. It's so excited he fell down. What did you find? Is it good? Oh, mommy, eat it. Thank you.
Daddy, eat? What is it? It's French fries.
No, it's
It's macaroni.
Oh, it's macaroni. Yeah, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
And what's this? Soup?
Brian.
Yeah.
Brian.
Brian's trying to eat the Christmas tree. Brian, you want your gift?
Yeah.
Brian.
Boo!
Look at all that. Oh, thank you, Kate. Give me a pretzel. Pretzel.
Grapes.
Ice cream.
Yeah.
Not for real, Kate. Just pretend.
Pea.
Peas. Oh, Daddy's favorite. Cough in your elbow, please. Corn.
Apple.
Oh. Oh, lots of good food right
Oh, and
here.
you put the food in the box.
Yeah, we're gonna keep it all together. Thank you, Kate. Oh, there we go. Thank you. Thank you. There you go. Oh, just pretend. Just pretend. Good.
Oh, that's awesome.
Elephant doesn't go in there.
Oh, we need a bigger bin for this. This
Yeah.
isn't big enough. Let's get a bigger bin. It's too much.
Look at that. That's gonna be fun. 'Cause you can cook all your food in your new cookware set that you opened last night from Miss Christie. Oh, it's gonna be great. Lots of pretend cooking.
Soda. A donut.
Brian, what are you doing? Brian, you sniffing around? Trying to find your treats? Your treats, Brian? Do you want your treats? Look at your tail.
There you go. What's this, a pickle?
Brian, I'm gonna get you your treats, Brian.
Okay, well,
I mean,
we'll keep
whoa.
this right here for now.
I want to give you your treats.
Okay, you want to